you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare methi kadbu or methi dumplings. Mente kadbu is usually prepared in north part of Karnataka, India. Mente kadbu or mente jolada kadbu is mixed flour dumplings boiled or steamed and then tempered with fenugreek leaves or methi leaves. There are two versions of methi kadbu. One is dry version and other one is gravy version. Today we can see how to make dry version of methi kadbu. Let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare methi kadbu. We need 1 cup of wheat flour, half cup jawar flour, 1 to 2 tablespoons of rice flour, coriander leaves, washed and finely chopped methi or fenugreek leaves, oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, salt to taste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, finely chopped onion, green chili, garlic, curry leaves, roasted and crushed peanut and dry coconut. Let's start the preparation. Take wheat flour, jawar flour, rice flour, add salt to taste, little turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of oil, add washed and finely chopped methi or fenugreek leaves. I am adding little. Mix everything well. Most of the people don't add finely chopped methi in the preparation of dough. Here I am adding methi leaves so that we get nice methi flavor in the dumplings. It is optional. If you would like to add methi in the dough, you can add, or you can add while tempering dumplings. Add water and make it into a stiff dough. Apply little oil and knead the dough. Now we have to make small dumplings like a peda or ball. We have to do all balls like this and we have to steam them. Making balls will take more time, so I am going to make it into a small cylindrical shape dough. We can steam dough like this, and after steaming we can cut them into small pieces. It is easy way of doing methi kadbu. I have greased steamer with little oil. Now we can place the cylindrical shaped dough. We have to steam these for 10 minutes on medium to high stove heat. Water is hot now. I am going to place steamer on the top. Close the lid and steam these for 10 minutes. Until kadbu are steaming, we can prepare the green chili and garlic chutney. Take green chili in a grinding jar. Add garlic, curry leaves, cumin seeds, little salt, coriander leaves. We have to grind it into a coarse paste. Green chili garlic paste is ready. It's 10 minutes now. kadabu have steamed well, switch off the stove. Steamed kadabu have cooled little bit. We can cut them into small pieces. Small kadabu are ready to add in seasoning. Now let's see how to prepare seasoning. Keep one big pan for heating. Once the pan is hot, add in oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, prepared green chili and garlic chutney. Roast this for a few seconds. Now we have to add finely chopped onion. Once the onions become translucent, we have to add finely chopped methi or fenugreek leaves. Mix everything well. Keep stove heat to low. Once methi cooks, we have to add little turmeric powder, red chili powder. Red chili powder is optional. Anyhow, we have added green chili. Mix everything well. Add little salt to taste. Now we have to add steamed kadabu. After adding kadabu, we have to add dry coconut, roasted peanut powder. Mix everything well. If you want little tangy flavor to this kadabu, you can add little lemon juice. Mix everything well and serve it hot. After mixing everything well, no need to cook it for longer time. Now you know how to make North Karnataka style healthy and tasty methi kadabu or mente kadabu or mente jolada kadabu. You can serve it hot and garnish it with finely chopped coriander leaves and lemon. Please do try this at home and enjoy it with your family and friends. And let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.